Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Happy Gluten-Free Friday. This Friday, we are continuing our health and wellness January journey by doing an immunity bomb. But what this is it's a bunch of yummy things that we'll go over. It's like a juice shot, but frozen, and you put it in your little cup, put some hot water over it, like a hot chocolate bomb, you know?
Yeah, but it's a good for you. Actually,
But
good for you.
No
Yeah, but
sugars.
good for you.
And also, we're partnering with Live on Labs. You know them. You love. Oh, Sammy wants some Live on Labs.
He does.
You know them. You love them. It is these little packets. I wonder if you can hear him in our mics. I don't know, but he's being
Probably.
loud.
You can hear him.
Sammy, quit it. Quiet on set. Sorry for the interruption. Sammy wants to take his Live on Labs. So anyway, this is the vitamin C Live on Labs. It's in these little packets. It's a goo. We'll show you later when we take them, but it's a goo. It has liposomal technology. It helps for better absorption. Like you absorb like 90% of the vitamin.
Yeah.
Instead of when you take a pill, I don't know the percentage. I'm not going to give any numbers, but it's significantly less. It's also really good for this time of year because it's cold. Everyone's getting sick. Vitamin C, good for you, your immunity, antioxidant support, so much stuff. So That's what we'll be doing today. So without further ado, let's keep going.
Let's get started.
All right. So if you want to put everything in the blender,
Okay.
this is coconut milk. It's about half a cup. The recipe is in half because I made half earlier because I had to freeze them. So that's half a cup of coconut milk. And then this is turmeric and pepper. I put them in the same thing because less dishes.
Yeah.
It's like a pinch of pepper and like half a teaspoon of turmeric. And then this is ginger. Like a little knob.
Ginger.
I didn't exactly measure it. Just take the skin off and use the back of a spoon. Easy.
Yeah. If you like yours really spicy, you can add more too.
Yeah, you can always add more. This is lemon juice. 1 lemon of juice. And then that's 1 orange juice.
1 orange.
The juice of 1 orange. And then that's honey. It's about, let me do my math here. It's like 3 or 4 tablespoons. Maybe that's wrong. Don't quote me on that. And we're gonna watch her pour. She's a slow one.
Yeah. Thick honey.
Okay.
I think it's fine.
So then you can put the little top on the blender.
Don't really know how to do it.
I know, it's kind of weird. It's.
Want to make sure it's on. Just-
I know, sometimes it doesn't go on. Okay, it's on. And then turn it on. Do low. Well, hold on, before I do this. Sorry, headphone user warning. I'll probably cut this out for your
for yours.
for your ears. But you're gonna blend it up, and that's literally it. You pour it into one of those like
trays,
the large
molds.
cubes. It's like the whiskey, the old-fashioned cubes, like you put in an old-fashioned. Put it in one of those, and then we'll magically have some frozen ones after this is done blending.
You could do some cool shapes too, like different
You do, a sun.
molds. Yeah.
A sun because it's orange. Woo! Happy winter. I wish it was summer. Anyway, I'm gonna blend it. And she's blended. She looks like a beautiful smoothie. Beautiful, like
So bright and beautiful.
You could also just drink it like a juice shot.
You could, yeah.
if you're wanting. It smells good.
But you know, it's just more fun.
Yeah, so I'm using the ice cube tray this is supposed to go in, so I can't pour the liquid in there. But we turn this into, hold on, pause, into this.
Ta-da!
They're frozen. See, like if I poured the liquid in here, I wouldn't have been able to get it out. So let me hopefully they come out. That'd be so funny if they just didn't come out. Get them out. Oh! Wow!
Oh my god!
I made a layered ice cube.
It's
I didn't
layered.
even try.
Wow.
What do we think the layers are? The juice. Okay, there's the
that's
turmeric
definitely
on
at the bottom.
Coconut milk. I don't know what this is. And then I don't know.
Isn't the orange?
Maybe orange lemon.
And then the lemon.
So yeah, we made a beautiful ice cube. It's
so
layered.
beautiful.
And then And clear hers.
Wow.
Gorge. Okay. I already have the hot water, so let me get that. The layering was unintentional, to be honest.
But it's all
worked.
gonna like mix together,
Yeah.
you know?
Well, hopefully it melt. I don't know if it's gonna melt like immediately, but we'll see. Wow, beautiful. It is melting. Wait,
Wow.
cute. Okay. So, we're gonna use this as a little chaser. Let me get some spoons to mix it. They're still a little frozy in there. But they're, oh, look at that. It looks smoky.
Yeah,
It's like all the turmeric in it. But before we try our drink, it's gonna be a little hot. We're gonna take our Live on Labs. So
Yep. Okay.
this is yours. I'll demonstrate the goo. So first, you wanna get all the goo to the bottom. Like like your sugar packets.
You know, you gotta
Okay.
shake it. A good shake.
Shake it. And then watch this. See the goo? Wow. Goo.
See the goo?
See the goo? Anytime anyone is sick in the office, Colin gives us 30 vitamin C packets and it's
Yeah.
like, take 5 a day.
Yeah.
And you have to take it pretty soon after you put it in there or the liposomal technology will break and then it will be pointless. I mean, you'll still get it, but okay. Ready?
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Boom.
Done.
Easy.
Easy.
My fingers
Like
are
water.
My fingers are sticky. Pause. I need to get it off of me. Okay. Easy peasy.
Mm-hmm.
And now we can try a drink. It's gonna be a little hot. I'm like the least. Oh wow! Look, it melted a lot.
Wow.
I'm like the least. I hate hot drinks. Unpopular opinion.
You don't like hot drinks?
No, I hate hot drinks. I don't even like hot like soup.
I don't mind it, but I do prefer like coffee, like ice cold.
I think I'm just sensitive to heat. I don't know. I will eat my soup cold. Yeah, that's a freak. That's
That's
freak thing with me.
wild.
I just don't.
Because I feel like everyone I know is like, I need to eat my food hot.
Really? No.
Yeah.
I'll wait for it to like actually cool down almost. Okay.
So-
Cheers.
Cheers.
Taste test.
Wow, it's all melted too.
Oh, it's not that hot.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. That's
Flavorful.
actually pretty good. It kind of tastes like the
good.
Trader Joe's one. Have you ever had it?
No.
I love the Trader Joe's juice sauce. It's actually pretty mild. I thought it was gonna be spicier.
I really like the juice. It like helps with the turmeric and the pepper and all that.
Yeah, turmeric. I don't know exactly what it does, but I know the turmeric and the pepper help each other support your immunity. But I don't know the exacts, so don't quote me. But this is pretty good. Like I said, you could also literally probably just strain.
Sorry.
No.
Pepper got in the back of my throat.
You could probably also strain just the juice and drink it if that's what your vibe is. But this is a fun little. It's fun. I don't know.
It's like fruity and spicy.
Yeah. So
And good for you.
yeah, that's pretty much it. Shout out to Live On Labs. We love you here. We take you every day. And yeah, you guys should try it. If you're feeling sick, go online and buy some vitamin C from Live On Labs.
ASAP.
ASAP, like right now.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll see you guys next Friday for our last January like health and wellness
Oh my goodness.
recipe. I mean, we will probably do more. This isn't the
Oh,
last
for
one
sure.
ever, but just
Yeah.
for what did I say earlier? Your wellness journey January. Period. All right. Bye guys.